Hello everyone. Today is June 5th, 2022 and today is World's Environmental Day. I wish you from NUS University Islamabad. It's been a wonderful day for you all. May Allah bless you all with peace and prosperity and positivity of life. And it's been a wonderful day, and I like to share with you the environment of NUS University here. You can see the sunshine, the environment is so beautiful, and we are starting our journey from here. And today we need to realize how important our environment is. We must understand that if a person who got an accident, the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, people start posting its posts, his or her post, but no one go and help that person. So this is the environmental change, and we need to realize that with the help of social media we can go and spot that person and help that person. That's how we can put change on World's Environmental Day. Likewise, plants, we have to take care of our plants, and don't burn them, don't harm them. And likewise, animals, don't harm animals, especially elephants. We see the people who play with elephants, play with the animals. They also have life. The nature made them beautiful. So realize this and take care of your society. This is the message from my side, from NUST. And we need also, as an environment, we all are global citizens, and we have to take care our environment. And without this we cannot achieve a positivity of life. So realize this and take care your environment. Take care water. Take care as climate is changing, the heat is rising, the icebergs are melting, and lakes are discovering everywhere, and this will cause flood. And in our generation can be in coming years are have a shortage of water. So we have to take care of this, and we have to take care of all aspects of say avoid plastic materials, and take care your life, as it is a non-biodegradable kind of a thing. So avoid it. Do not use plastic bags. Use bags which can be sustained and can be biodegradable. Take care your environment. Take care everything around you. And this is also, I just want to say that avoid conflicts globally by United Nations and all these kind of NGOs, IGOs, all internally, externally have to fight. Likewise, women empowerment, likewise child abuse, have to say no, because it is also a part of our environment. So we have to go and see in industries, big mafias are also using illegally this, especially in third world, this child for working as a child laborers for their industry growth. So we need to tackle that, and United Nations have to work for it. And this is how we can put change in our world environment. And we have to say no to all unjust and illegal songs, content which causes harm, and put and abusive language which generate this gun and drug increase among the youth. And this cause fighting and terrorism, also terrorism comes because of this through social media. So we have to avoid it also, and we have to motivate our people to do positive things, take care of animals, promote plants, and both seeds, and respect humans. because human life is so short. And the worst part is that now we are on social media more than our life we are living physically. So we have to think about our life first. Without it, we cannot be achieve a positive goal of our life to succeed in this global world, because world is changing very fast, and day by day the technology is changing, and the technology is also maligning the value of human also. So we have to realize that, and also we have to see that how people are misusing the our environment on virtual, because our environment is not about physical, it is also virtual environment now involved. In virtual world, people are giving blackmails to the innocent peoples. So we have to use our media and this United Nation kind of NGOs who can use at big level and can help this society to defeat all kind of instabilities. And we also have to resolve, by the help of United Nations, the conflicts between Ukraine and Russia, and still not war is over. And this is very sad for as a global citizen. We feel that if a person died in Ukraine, it's like it's died on a, it's a problem and of globally it was a death. And this is also a and the conflict that refugees are creating all around the globe. After Afghanistan, the refugees came to Pakistan. Now from Ukraine, the refugees is to Poland and other countries as well. So it is a very hard time. World need to think of the better lifestyle, because and also say healthy life, healthy cold drinks, balanced life with balanced powers also required to defeat all kind of things in life, because life is too short. As we know, the big people died, and now the coronavirus and COVID-19, people died, and we see the life is not so long. So we have to take care how much God give us life. We have to take care of it and give our people a best and a better solution, so that we can be a best person and a better people, and give education to all the people, and give literacy rate high. And also not also we have to work on the other side of education, which is not on the classroom but on the physical side as well, in which the people will understand the meaning of the social behavior, how to live the life with the people, how to educate, how to communicate with the people. Because when you communicate well with the people, you will be a better judge for yourself to do well work for the environment. As you see, environment is all around me, and I am the part of environment. We all are part of environment. Even we live or even we died, even after our death, our skeleton become this fossil fuel for this world. And you know, after the body died, how much this if I tell you one of the thing that this tree, if you see, the tree is in the fertility of tree is maximum, as much bones are died on that place. So that's how we humans are facilitating as an environment, as a soil child to this environment, because we are living in a little life, 70 to 80 or 90, maximum 100 years we can live. But after that, our body is a part of this environment. So we have to take care of this environment, as we have to, once we realize that power position and is nothing, then we realize that we can successfully do well with our environment. So God bless you all. The best wishes from Pakistan on World Environment Day, 5th June, from Nust University. Bye from my side. God bless you all, and take care of your environment, and whatever I teaches you, please take care of it, and respect environment, respect our global planet, as being our global citizens of this planet. And from here, Nust University, I say you bye. Take care of your life, and how this is how we can be a successful people. See, the heat wave is rising up, and we have to take care of it. Also, this is also one environmental day, and 5th June is our day. So we have to take care of this, and take care your parents, take care your children, and take care of yourselves. This is also a part of World Environment Day. And also use balanced diet for your life. Do fitness, do join gyms, and work out every day. So around 1 hour. So it is also a beneficial for you for making our environment. Friends, do join my YouTube channel Safi Khan by searching Safi Khan Able, and you can also join me my Twitter handle, which is Safi Khan Magical, and you can also join my Facebook, which is Safi Khan Boss, by following it. And you can also follow me on Instagram, which is Safi Khan Boss, to see my picture, videos and views. And here is my YouTube channel view, where you can subscribe it and press the bell icon and like the videos, and do share it with your friends and as much as you can.